See, I already told you this outside the class definition. Again, I am telling you in this class that where the class name indicates that the function specified by function name is a member of the class specified by class name. I underline this class name. The symbol this is called scope resolution operator. This means one respect to another is linking. Okay, link to one another. How it links is specifies that the scope of the function is restricted to the class name. Means the function is under the class name. Okay, under the class. That one is restricted. Function is not independent here. Function is dependent upon the class. That is why it is restricted to the class name. The general form of a member function definition outside class function is return type, class name, scope resolution, function name, parameter list. I show you parameter list in other class, and this is the function body. Okay. Return type means some argument will be returned to the class by the main function, and function name means this is the member function, and parameter means some argument of the function. Okay, the scope resolution means this function is dependent upon the class. This function is not independent function. Okay, and here the function means the function data number. This is outside the class definition. Means mainly this is for the public access to remove. And next is inside the class definition. And you see how inside the class definition working. Member function is defined inside a class the function definition is just similar to the function definitions familiar to it. Okay? That is to put membership level along the function name is very simple. When a member function is defined inside class, the function definition is just similar to the function definition. Similar means outside class definition is form is similar. Okay. What is the form? Means class name, return type class name. We already discussed. Return type. Class like that. I roughly writing this line because I already write this line in earlier, that's why roughly writing. Return by class name, function name, parameter list. Okay, please. This function body. Okay. Means this form I write outside the class, and this form again inside the class. The form is similar. Accessibility mode is different. Okay. Inside the class means its accessibility mode is what? Private or protected. But outside the class means its accessibility mode is public. The main difference is that other thing is similar. Then other outside the class. That's why you are writing familiar with similar, and that is to put membership level along with the function name. Membership level means what is the accessibility mode. We discuss as a okay. This is same like earlier, but its accessibility is different. Its logic is different. We discuss in the programming. Okay. See.
Welcome back, student. I hope you're doing well in your home. Okay, let's start the program. I hope you remember the last class. In last class, what we have done? Classes and object. Okay, classes and object. I hope you remember what is data member, member function, what is class, what is object. Again, I am saying you. Okay, what is class? Class is nothing but it is the something is the instantiation of an object. Instantiation means it is class means the group. Okay, the object, member function, data member, all group together. To this is class. Means class is the main where the all data member, member function, and this is the your accessibility mode. Everything will become okay. Okay, this is a program. See, write a program to using a class to store price list of 50 items and to print the largest price as well as the sum of all prices. Okay, what is our objective? Our objective is we have to find price list of 50 items we have to store. Okay, and we have to find the largest price. Which is the largest price out of 50 prices? Okay, 50 items, 50 prices. Price list of 50 price. Okay, 50 items, 50 price. Okay, we have to find the largest price among them, and the sum of all prices means the all 50 prices. We have to find the summation of all prices. Okay, that is the objective of our this program. See, this is the starting part. I hope you remember that. What is this two line? This is the header file. Hashtag include iostream.h, hashtag include conio.h. Okay. After that, we have to declare a class, and class is what? User defined. The class name is user defined. Item. We define this class name as item because this program is for item and price or related to this. That's why we take item. Okay. And these two will be data member. And data member means int. It is called data type. Item code. This is array. What array? Array means you have to take 50 items. Mean we take 50. Here float data type it underscore price 50. And this is the accessibility mode. Public accessibility mode is what? We have to access from outside the class. Okay. The public and private difference is what? When we take public accessibility mode, then we access the data member and member function from outside the class, and if we take private or protected, then we cannot be able to access outside the class. Okay, cannot be able to access from the outside the class. Okay, from outside the class. Okay, and this four are called member function, and member function is where we take void initialize. This is for input. This is for largest void. This is called parameter. Some parameter will be defined in later part. Void initialize, float largest, float sum, and void display underscore item. And this initialize means we have to initialize, input the data. This input the price list of 50 items, input the data. After that we have to find which is the largest price, and after that we have to find the summation of all price, and last one is display. This is for output. This is for output of the data, means display. Okay, you just write down in your copy this part. I erase it because this program is very large, that's why we have not enough space. You just see this program and you just note down. Okay, after this you write, after this you first of all you write all of this, that's why and after this you write, I erase it because this program is very large, we need more space. You just write down from the beginning in a serially in your copy from the beginning part. Okay, we just declare the data member and member function. Okay, now see void item initialize void. Okay, this item is class name and this initialize means first member function, and this is for scope resolution, means this function is with respect to this class. Item is class, initialize is member function, means this member function is related to this class. Okay, that's why we use this scope resolution operator. Okay, after that we use loop for int I equal 0. I hope you all know the loop concept. This is for loop. Cout \n item number I plus 1. Okay, I tell you why I write I plus 1 and \n. This or for input. This initialize function is for only input purpose. Okay, enter item code. This we need to take value sin item code I \n enter item price it underscore price I. Okay, you see first I tell you what is this. This is for, again I am saying, this is for input member function initialize. This is for parameter, some parameter. Void means null. Okay, some null parameter we declare. Also you can write like this, initialize. If you wish, then you can also write like this, initialize this nil. Same concept. This and this are same concept, but in book here writing initialize void. You can also, if you write some like this, cannot write anything here, then also same concept. Void means null. Okay, nothing much, use nothing, but void is null concept. Okay, you don't be confused. Here you see int I equal 0, I less than 50, I plus plus. Why we take 0 to 50? Because we have to input 50 price. Means suppose in array concept we take, if array concept we take what? Up from 0 index to 49, because less than 50 means 0 to 49 means we have to input how many? 50 prices. Okay, 50 prices. First of all, input is \n means new line, item number I plus 1. Why we take I plus 1? I tell you. Item number, this is the printing statement, item number. I plus 1 is for item number 1. Okay, actually this is coming index from 0 to 49. If we take here nothing, or if we don't write this line, then coming like item number, only item number. But we have to write the item. What is the item number? What? Item number 1, 2, 3. Okay, because we have to take 50 item prices. Or if we write only I, means item number 0, item number 1. But item number 0 is not suitable. Okay, that's why we write I plus 1. For this is for decoration purpose, okay, actually. This is nothing but is decoration purpose. We have to coming this item suppose here item price is 56 means item number 1 is 56. Don't be confused with this 0 and this 1 and this 0. This 0 is for what is index, okay, and this is for designing purpose. Item number 1 we take this I is index and we take printing statement I plus 1. That's why it is coming for item number 1 2 3 3 4 like that, and last one is item number 50. And item number 50 price is what? Last item 49 index. In this is index, okay, and this is for designing purpose. Item number 1 2 3 up to item number 50 because we have to take 50 prices. Okay, I hope you understood the I plus 1 concept. So after that, enter item code. Item code we take, this is the data member I means for this, okay, item code. Every item has a unique item code. After the item price, this IT underscore price is also a data member we declare earlier, and backslash n means for new line. This function is completed for initialize purpose. You just write down from the beginning part, from header file thoroughly, serially write, okay, but I write some portion like that because there is no enough space in here, that's why you write from the beginning to serially in your copy. This program is very important. This program is also very important for practical exam also, okay. This type of program is frequently coming in your practical exam also. This class program is very important in your syllabus. And next I write second member function float. You just write from the beginning purpose, okay. I just write as largest void. We take now what is the largest price? Float the large is equal IT price 0 for INT I equal 1 I 50 I plus plus. If large less than IT underscore price large is equal IT price return large, okay. You see again this second member function float item largest void. Because why we take float item? Because this member function is under float data type, okay. Because largest is means largest price. A largest price maybe it is integer or float. That's why we take float, because it is also maybe pointer also. Suppose the largest price is 96.5, then how it will coming in INT? This is not in coming in INT data type, na? That's why we write float. Float large is equal IT underscore price 0 means when we take, suppose this is array, again I am from 0 to 49 index, suppose first item price is 57.0 means 57. We take 0.0 because we take float data type. Second one is 59.3, third one is 81.5 like that, okay, and last one is 90.6 like that, okay. Just assuming this value, this is user defined prices. Then how it will operate, how it will be functioning, and it will show you the largest price. First of all, we have to take, assuming that first item is large, just assume that this price is large. Then you have to compare. Then large value is less than from this or not. We have to take this loop is 1 to 49. We take the loop is 1 to 49. Okay, 1 to 49 means up to from this to this, not first value. First value we assuming that first value will be large value. After that we have to see the comparing of this. Then if this is 57.0, 59.3 means this condition will be satisfied. This value is less than this. Then large will be this. Then again we see this is for loop, okay. Again see these are what? That this large will be less than this, means now large will be this. And now you have to go and see, and after all the 48 number of, suppose 48 number of prices 90.1 like that, okay. Then after going, then you see that 48 number, this index number price is largest. Then you see from last prices comparing that this value will be less than this, then your last will be largest will be last, okay. Means your large will be what? IT price 49. Again I am tell you one another condition. Suppose index 1 2, this is suppose 49, index 49, 10.0 and 11.2, and first one is suppose 9.6, 2.3 and 13.7. suppose this will be maximum value, okay. Suppose we take, then in this case first one is we take assume is large, okay, for this. Then we have to compare, then this condition will not satisfy here because this is not less than 2.3, this is greater than this. Then we take this is also large for this comparison. Again we compare from this, then we see this will less than there, 9.6 less than 30.7, condition will be satisfied, then large will be shifted to this. And now we see that the remaining data all are less than this value 13.7, and we just see then all value compare with all this value to other value, and we see that this is the largest, means no condition will be satisfied, okay. All value will be less than this 13.7. suppose here 11.2, here suppose 11.6, here suppose 8.9, something like, means less than 13.7. ultimately you have to compare with all the other value, and you can see that this index 2 number price is maximum, means you have to just, main thing is first of all you have to assume first value will be large, and after that you just compare with this condition with other value, other prices, and when your this condition will be, after this condition will be unsatisfied, you have to just see that you just, this is only for simple purpose, this large will be your status, okay. Large will means largest prices, large will be status, you just see compare with other value, and you when you compare other value you just see that what will be the main largest value, you can see, okay. And after that return large value will be returned into the where main function, where, because output will be coming always from main function, okay. Again I am saying that first value we assume large value, assuming only first value, after that you have to see, or suppose some cases you see some dislike or cases something coming, that suppose first value will be 96.0 and all other value will be less than 96, suppose 91, 81, like that, means all value will be less than this. Then also you have to compare, this first value will be you assuming, after that you have to compare with this value to the other value, this will be greater than, this will be greater than, means you see then first value will be greater than for all other value, this first value will be greater than to all other value, means after all first value will be largest. First we assuming first value will be, we assume that first value will be large, and after that we have to compare this condition, large less than IT price. IT price I means here I in loop is running from 1 to 49, okay, 1 to 49, not 0 to 49, because first value we assume like largest value. I hope you understood. This is the second member function. Now we see the summation of all prices, the sum of all prices. You just write down serially. Float item, sum void sum, this is IT underscore price. Okay, you see. Okay, I write both function. This is for your sum function and last one is for your display. Last one is for display items. Void. Okay. Cout backslash n. Okay, you see this last two member function. This is for sum void and this is for display item. Sum means you have to sum all of the prices. I tell you in first year how summation will be done in computer. Then we first assume sum will be 0. After that you have to sum plus is equal means this concept is this sum is equal sum plus IT price. I means 0 to 49 means all the 50 value. Then first suppose this will be the array. Okay, I tell you suppose this will be the array. Okay, you just understood. Suppose 10.0, 11.0, 12.0 like that. Then we assume first sum will be 0. Okay, then 0 plus 10 means now your sum will be 10. After that 10 plus 11, 21 means now your sum will be 21. First your sum will be 0. After that you just plus it, addition it to the prices. This sum will be changes. Okay, first your sum will be 0. After that 0 plus 10, your sum will be 10. Now your 10 plus 11, sum will be 11. Now 11 plus 12, sum will be 32. Like that you just plus all the value, then you will get the summation of all the prices. This will be very easy concept. I already told you in first year. And this is for display. Void item display, item code 0 to 50, item code I, IT price I, just simple. Means item code means we have performed the item code, this is IT price and okay. This will be only for display purpose, okay. Like initialize purpose, input the value, display item means display the item, okay. Now we take the last purpose is main function. In class, main function will be writing in the last portion. First of all, we have to take the variable declaration means data member function. We just give the member function value, and last one is int main item. One thing we do is what is this order is object. Object is always declare respective to class. Item is your class, order is your object. Why you use object? Because object is for access of the member function. If you don't declare object, then you have not be able to access the member function. Okay, object is very important concept. Class and object all are related to each other. Means if you declare a class, then it must have any object. And like that, class is user defined. Also that like that purpose, object is also a user defined. Means object name is also user defined. You can use like any name. Suppose item O means you have to write O. Or item OR, you have to write OR, but here book we have take order, item is class and order is object, okay. And now this is dot operator. Dot operator is used for accessibility. First we have to access initialize function, okay, and next is float total biggest int character 0, do loop we use, and we write main menu is backslash n, display largest price, next one is display sum of prices, backslash n. This is for printing statement, okay? Don't be confused. Display item list, and last one is enter your choices 1, 2, 3, okay? First you see, this is for main function, this is object order.initialize. We have to initialize member function access by object order, float total biggest, this will be two variable, and this character ch is equal 0. We take character because we have to take switch statement, and do while loop, do cout backslash and main menu, display largest price, display sum of prices, display item list, enter your choices, and this. You just write down. I erase this portion. Some last part will be after switch case. You write case number 1, biggest is equal order dot largest, okay? This largest member function, order is object, we have to access this largest member function, and largest value will be stored in biggest variable, okay? Cout the largest is like that. In case 2, total is equal order sum. The largest price is total case 3 order dot display items and last is for default statement, okay? Default case, because your case is from 1 to 3 variable, okay? If you take 4 means this is wrong choice. Wrong choice. Break, okay? And last is after this part you write last is you have after this you write is just, okay, ending while, you know, do while loop condition is always writing in last part. See, this will be ending of this program. I know this program is very large. It is right from the beginning. The program is very easy, but this more lines you just see. Switch case I don't write because in earlier we write switch case, switch case under where case 1, case 2, case 3 means 3. 1, 2, 3 we take 1, 2, 3 case. 1 is for biggest, 2 is for total means sum the prices, and 3 is for display item. Okay, and last one is default. Okay, default means wrong choice, and this will be a condition while character 1 and less than is equal 3 means your case will be always coming 1, 2, 3. Suppose if you take the enter your choice, you write earlier the statement printing statement enter your choice 1, 2, 3. If you take enter your choice 4 or 5 or any other than 1, 2, 3, then this choice will be default wrong choice. And if you take case 1 means your choice will be 1 means you have to find the largest value. And what is the largest value? I already told you the mechanism, how the program finding largest prices, and this will be stored in biggest variable. And next, the price of all the sum of all the prices, and this will be stored in total variable. Okay, this is printing total biggest, and next one is for display the all item. Okay, and this will be the condition. Okay, student. You just see from beginning this program, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. And in next class we study the next topic. Okay, this program is very easy. You just see thoroughly and you write from the beginning header file. I know this is very large program, but you write from the beginning part, then you already understood.